Welcome back to the channel. Today, we aren't just looking at a new car release, we are looking at the evolution of a legend. For exactly 50 years, the Volkswagen Polo has been the global benchmark for what a reliable, stylish, and compact car should be. Think about this number for a second, 20 million. Since 1975, over 20 million Polos have been delivered to people all over the world. It is one of the 3 most successful product lines in the entire Volkswagen Group. But in May 2026, the icon officially steps into a new era as it goes fully electric. This is the all-new ID-Polo. I have the official fact sheet right here, and we are going to spend the next several minutes breaking down every single detail. We're talking about a starting price targeted at under 25,000 euros, the debut of the MEB Plus platform, and a high-performance GTI version that is going to shake up the hot hatch world. Let's get into the details that truly matter. Chapter 2: Exterior. Pure positive design. Let's start with the visuals because the design is a massive departure from what we've seen before. At the IAA Mobility 2025, VW gave us a detailed look at the series production version, though it was still under that digital camouflage wrap. But even with the wrap, the lines are impossible to hide. The ID-Polo is the very first series production model to follow Volkswagen's brand new design language, which they call Pure Positive. What does Pure Positive actually mean for you? It means clean, powerful surfaces that make the car look wider and more premium. Let's look at the actual footprint. It's 4,053 millimeters long and 1,816 millimeters wide. But the real magic for the design is the wheelbase. Because there's no bulky engine up front, they've pushed the wheels all the way out to the corners, giving it a wheelbase of 2,600 millimeters. This gives it a planted, aggressive stance. It's 1,530 millimeters high, so it keeps that classic hatchback silhouette we love, but it's been launched straight into the future. Chapter 3: Interior. Small outside, big inside. Now let's step inside. This is where the electric platform really pays off. While it is a compact car on the outside, the MEB Plus platform completely changes the game for the interior cabin. That 2,600 millimeter wheelbase isn't just a number on a page. It means the legroom inside is going to feel much more like a larger Golf than a traditional small Polo. Volkswagen is making a massive statement here by bringing technologies from the higher classes into this compact segment. Every ID-Polo will be a 4-door model. We are looking at a cabin that feels digital, minimalist, and incredibly open. This isn't just a cramped city car anymore. It is a fully functional, high-tech family hatchback designed for the modern electric era. Chapter 4: Performance, the MEB Plus and the GTI. Let's talk about the hardware under the floor. This is the first Volkswagen built on the next evolutionary stage of their electric drive platform, the MEB Plus. The big shift for the Polo? It's moving to front-wheel drive. When it launches in 2026, you'll have a choice of 3 different output stages. Later on, they'll even add a 4th stage to the lineup. But let's be honest, the one everyone is waiting for is the ID-Polo GTI. Yes, the first ever electric GTI is officially arriving next year. It's forecasted to have a massive 166 kilowatts. That translates to 226 horsepower. In a car this light and compact, that instant electric torque is going to make it an absolute bundle of energy on the road. To keep you moving, the car features a newly developed efficiency battery and comes standard with a DC charging function. That means faster stops and more time on the road. Chapter 5: Tech and Features. intelligence in the compact class. This is where the ID-Polo really pulls away from the competition. Volkswagen is loading this car with driver assist tech that you usually only find in cars that cost twice as much. We're talking about the very latest generation of travel assist. For the first time ever in this class, the car will feature automatic lane changing and traffic light detection. Think about that. Your compact car will actually know when the light turns green. But it doesn't stop there. You also get Park Assist Plus with a memory function. The car can literally learn your specific driveway or parking maneuvers and repeat them for you. And for those tight city spots where visibility is tough, you've got Area View, a 360-degree camera system. This level of high-end tech in a Polo is a total industry first. Chapter 6: Price and Strategy, the €25,000 target. Now we have to address the most important factor, the price. Volkswagen is targeting a starting price of under €25,000 for the entry-level model. This is a huge milestone for electric mobility. It makes a high-quality EV accessible to millions more people. At launch, there will be 3 different equipment versions to choose from, so you can pick the one that fits your lifestyle. And here's the most interesting part of their strategy. Volkswagen isn't forcing you to go electric immediately. They're going to offer the ID-Polo in parallel with the current combustion engine Polo. If you're not quite ready for a battery, you can still get a high-efficiency gas engine in the same class. They're giving us, the customers, the power of choice. Chapter 7: Comparison and the 50-year legacy. Well, how does this car stack up in the real world? Well, the Polo has a reputation to uphold. Last year alone, 472,000 units were delivered to customers. It's a global bestseller for a reason. By bringing in the MEB Plus platform and high-end tech like Travel Assist, Volkswagen isn't just competing with other electric compacts, they're looking to dominate the segment. It's the first series model to use the pure positive design, making it the new face of the entire Volkswagen brand. Chapter 8: The Conclusion. Mark your calendars. So, what is the timeline to get one of these in your driveway? The world premiere is officially scheduled for May 2026. The car is currently in its final phase of production testing. After that premiere May next year, the full market launch is planned for autumn 2027. 2025 was the 50th anniversary of the Polo. Now, with the ID-Polo, the product line is reinventing itself for the next 50 years. What do you think? Is the 226 horsepower electric GTI the one you're waiting for? Or is that €25,000 entry model the real game changer? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching this deep dive. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the May 2026 premiere.